Man, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We back in the garage again, back with another video. Today we finna go through this trunk on the Monte Carlo, get it cleaned up because it actually is like in really good shape. Like I said, the dude I got this car from wasn't lying to me. He was pretty straightforward, pretty solid. So let me show y'all the trunk. Let me turn some light on so y'all can't see in here because it actually got the light in there. But anyway, the trunk is like, it's not bad. If I look down here and show y'all, like, it's only got like, it's like super solid. Some surface rust on the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to clean all this out and actually get this shot with this Dupli-Color raspberry stuff that we need to get in there. So we're gonna try to shoot. I don't know how many cans I bought. I got 2 cans of it, so I'm gonna use both cans to try to kind of get that done. I still got the original trunk mat. I may throw that back in for now because I don't know what I'm gonna do to the trunk, but we got all that situated. Also, man, finally, my wife got her car back. So I think it's been a few months back, but yeah, she crashed this car in January, I want to say. Maybe December or January, somewhere around that time. But needless to say, it's been gone since then, and we got it back a week ago. So hopefully she can keep it in between the lines this time. So anyway, back to what I was saying. We're gonna clean this out, which I already vacuumed most of the stuff out, and then we just gonna hit it with this Dupli-Color, and then we just gonna hit it with this kill mat. We got a whole bunch of kill mat that we want to put down in here just to kind of see. I may need to, yeah, I got both garage doors opening on it. And let's get, for anybody who been wondering what I've been doing to this white car, the white one I actually haven't done a lot to because I just kind of been like going back and forth with what I want to do to it next. But I made the decision of what we're gonna do to it next, and we're gonna show y'all that, but I gotta get it done first. So I'm gonna be taking this back to Dream Chaser Customs tomorrow, and we're gonna be getting the console and the rear deck done. We're gonna be getting this done and getting a new console done with the LED cup holders, backlights everywhere in the top and in the back. We're gonna get that made, and then that'll give me, once again, be easier on me not to spend any money because I'll be able to take this console, which is brand new, and that rear deck, which is brand new, and bring them over into here, get rid of that busted console and this old faded deck back here. So that'll be just another way for me to kind of get out of it. And the crazy part is I didn't realize that this console right now is like so crazy expensive on price, like right now. So, and another thing is, I want to tell y'all the reason we haven't really been getting a lot of stuff done, I've been getting the minor stuff done, is because you can't get a lot of parts for these cars right now. So I have actually ordered the interior, the seat cover kits. I've ordered the tack, not the tack, but the oil pressure and the coolant gauge, auxiliary gauge block that I'm gonna put in there, which actually I may send that back because I got this one and we're putting a new console in it. So we may do that, get that swapped out. I got the seals, which I need to hang these in there. They're just kind of hanging in there. So I need to get those put back in. Top of that, I need to, like I said, I need so much stuff to do to this car, but it's day by day. I'm gonna take my time on it and just mess with it. But right now we're finna get into this trunk and kind of see what we gotta do. I don't know how well this stuff works. I used it a little bit on just like some like frame rail stuff, so I really didn't. It was just one shot with black, just cover it up. But they said here I need to get it like a real thick coat in the trunk. So we'll see how well that works out. Getting that thicker coating in the trunk and go from there. So let me shake it up really well and pop this cap off. God dang, this cap is, Jesus. We got the cap off. And I don't know, let's just keep shaking and see. I don't know how well it's gonna look, so let's go from there. I got the garage open though, so I can keep it kind of ventilated. That way when I start putting this down, like y'all don't have to, I don't die in here and drop the camera. So yeah. Let me spray it in there. It actually, well, all right, so I just sprayed that area. What I guess what I'm gonna have to do is, yeah, oh my God. I'm definitely gonna have to put this camera down and we're gonna go back through it. I'm gonna go over and clean it out because it is creating like a fog bomb in here. So I'm gonna have to make sure I don't pass out doing this. So yeah, let me, oh God, I dropped my camera. Let me get this done up for the most part. And then I'm gonna show y'all the product of what it looks like when I'm done, because trying to hold this camera and spray at the same time ain't working out. So let me cut y'all back on in a minute. So we back and we one can down. One can gave it a nice little top coat on it, which like I said, I just want to really seal this off a little bit better than what it was. So I don't know about getting down in here, but I don't know what the hell this is. What is that? Like a glove of some sort down there, I don't know. Maybe you find when you buy a car from somebody else. So yeah, I ain't really worried about these inside of those, because I'm gonna hit those with some Kill Mat too. But right now the goal is really just to kind of, like I said, put a nice little top coat on it, let it dry out, and then we can Kill Mat it. So this stuff actually, it works a lot, but I don't know how much or how thick I should go. But I'm really just trying to keep this surface from any further surface rust, and hopefully this will do the trick. In the comments, man, let me know if y'all have ever used this stuff in y'all like projects. I know the roll-on stuff works, but I didn't want to spend time with a roller, and this was 15 bucks. The roller was like, the bucket was like 100 bucks, and I was like, nah, I can just get 2 cans and go that route. So, and 2 cans so far is actually doing the trick. Y'all see how much this is putting off, but luckily, like I said, the garage is open, so I ain't gonna pass out, hopefully. But yeah, we getting there. Let me finish this out, and then I don't know if we'll be able to Kill Mat it today or Kill Mat it in another video, but right now we're just trying to get it where we need it. What y'all think, man? Let me show y'all. Get the smoke rolling out of this thing. I think it looks worlds better inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and let this coat dry. I'm gonna let this coat dry, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow, drop another video, throw in the Kill Mat, and I think I'm gonna let my son help me with that, or my daughter, because she likes rolling and messing with stuff. So anything she can use that's touching and squeezing and squishing, she's all for that. So we're gonna get that done. But what do y'all think, man? I don't know how well it's working, but like I said, if y'all have used this rust barrier, tell me what y'all think of it, and like the quality and like how long it lasts. I think the trunk looks a lot better. A lot better. Just got a few more coats and it's done. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this video up. Just a quick video today, showing y'all we still got some stuff going on. We're just waiting on all the other stuff to keep it going. Also, before I end it, I wanted to let y'all know, man, I am, for my Cadillac people, I want to tell y'all, I am looking for another Cadillac, man. I ever since I sold my 77, I have been just like lost without that car. So I need to find another one, but I think what I'm gonna do this time is I want a Fleetwood Brougham. I want the last of the big full-size Cadillac, the 92 Fleetwood Brougham. I don't want a 5.0, I want the 5.7. So if y'all know anybody trying to sell one for a decent price, let me know in the comments, man, and we can actually kind of link up, check it out. I don't want no turds. I want a super clean Fleetwood Brougham, and I'll spend the money on it if it's all the way there. I have to have one back in the collection, but that's something for another video and another day. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video.